Hello everyone, welcome back to Layman Solution. In this video, we'll discuss some methods to fix some common issues on Facebook Messenger. So without further delay, let's get started. Most of the problems on Facebook Messenger occurs due to slow internet connectivity. If you have bad network connection, then you can try turning on and off the airplane mode on your phone. This is the widely used method for good network connection. You can also try calling your service provider for network. This was the first method. For the second method, you need to check if your Facebook Messenger app is up to date or not. For that, go to Google Play Store and check for any pending update. If there's any pending update, then click on update option. Apart from that, you can also do this by going to Facebook Messenger app. Click on the profile option, scroll down to app updates. If it is off, then make it on. In this way, any new update comes, it will get updated automatically. So this was the second method. For the third method, you need to close this. Long press on the Messenger app, go to app info, storage and cache, clear cache. In this way, you can clear app caches. So this was the third method. For the fourth method, you need to go to Facebook, click on the hamburger option, scroll down to settings and privacy, settings, password and security. Click on the three dot option present at the second position. Click on logout. Now you are logged out of the Messenger app. Close this and head over to Messenger, and in this way you can see here that you are logged out of Facebook Messenger. Once again, you have to log in. So enter your credentials here. Okay. So you are logged in once again to Messenger app. For the next method, you need to go to phone settings option. Go to apps, Facebook. Now go to mobile data and Wi-Fi. Turn on background data option. For the next method, you once again have to go to the setting options, system, reset option, reset app preference. Click on reset apps to reset the setting of each app. You can also reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Resetting also helps in solving the issue. For the next method, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling the app like this. Or you can go to Google Play Store, type Facebook Messenger, click on the Messenger option and click on uninstall option. Wait for a few minutes and then reinstall it once again. Next method and last method is reporting the problem to Facebook. For this, you need to head to Messenger app, click on profile option, scroll down to report technical problem, click on report problem, include, or you can also select don't include after reading this message. Describe your problem here briefly. After describing the problem, click on send option. So this was the last method, and one more method you can try is updating your phone software. For that, you need to go to system updates on your phone setting and click on check for updates. If there's any update, then it will show up here. So these were the methods with the help of which you can solve the issue. I hope you liked the video. Thank you very much.